Comparative Anatomy 1, the frog. So here we have our frog. I've already dissected away his skin. Here we have the fat bodies, which when you first open the cavity line the interior, but I've removed them so we can view the digestive system. It starts here with the esophagus, which I will point out in a moment. So here is the esophagus. From here that leads down into the stomach, which you can see here, and it seems to be pretty full, probably of frog food. Down here we have the cloaca, which is the combined urogenital opening. This large lobed organ here is the liver, which takes up a lot of the internal cavity here. Behind the liver we have the large intestine, and then behind that, as you can see, we have the small intestine, which is here. And then attached to the liver and slightly behind everything else, we have the gallbladder, which is where bile comes from. And so here we have the gallbladder. And that's everything you need to know for the frog.